Hey, good morning. It's Tammy Lynn Hancock, the little engine that could, and you can be a little engine that could too. This morning I wanted to talk to you about garbage. Today's garbage day, and I'm putting out this stinky, smelly bag of garbage into the garbage can. And I don't know why I'm holding it so close to my face, but I want to show you something about garbage. So follow me to the garbage can and we'll talk a little bit about garbage and why we want to get rid of it. Good morning, Shirley. Most of us take our garbage and we put it out on the side of our house or in the front of our house. Opening my garbage lid here. Good to get that smelly thing away from me. Hey, Shirley. So most of us take that garbage and we put it out by the front of our house. We get away from it. And as I was carrying that smelly, stinky bag out to the garbage can today, a thought came to my mind that, wow, how many would I want to get in bed with that garbage? No. Would I want to hang around with that garbage? No. I was very happy to put that garbage out by my front curb. Hey, Elizabeth. So I thought to myself, now, I would think that most of you are like me. We want garbage far away from us. It stinks, it smells. But how many of us, because we wouldn't hang around with garbage, how many of us have made the conscious decision to hang around with garbage as in relation to our online businesses or network marketing businesses? Think about that. The reason why I'm talking about that is because when we're doing our online businesses, we have to have a passion with what we're doing. And let me use the analogy of relationships. Most of us get in a relationship because we're attracted to somebody. They float our boat. They make our heart go flutter. We look at them and we think, oh wow, they're the bomb. They're the best thing in the world. And that's why we get in a relationship. That's why we marry them. We don't marry them because they wore a blue shirt or because a friend recommended them to us. We don't hang around them if they smell or if we think they're like garbagey kind of people, or if they hurt us or if they have a bad reputation. We generally are not going to choose those kind of people to marry. So again, I ask, why in network marketing and online marketing do we settle for garbage? Why do we settle for relationships with our online businesses that we wouldn't settle in our own lives? Hey, Carrie. You know, passion is something that comes from the heart. When you love somebody, you love to be with them. You love to take a walk with them. You like to hold their hand. You like sitting next to them. Sometimes you don't even need to talk to them. You can just be in the same room together. That's what passion is about. And this is the kind of passion that we need to have in our online businesses. Many times we get into online businesses because somebody recommended it to us, or we like the color of their blue shirt. You get the idea where I'm going with this? Network marketing is a wonderful, wonderful venue. It opens the door to many people. But choosing a network marketing company to hang your hat on, to really build your business, has to be because it's passionate. Let me use myself as an example. I love skincare. I am in a skincare, one of my businesses is skincare. But I'm not passionate about skincare. I can talk about it, I can sell it, but it's not my biggest passion in the whole wide world. I love hair products. I love it. I love what it does to my hair, and I can sell it and I can tell people about that. But that's not my greatest passion. I can't talk about it 24/7. Online marketing, for us to be successful, we have to find our passion. Sometimes what we need to do is, and this is what I had to do, I had to take my preconception and my loyalties to my companies and kind of take it out and put it in the garbage. Not because they were garbage, okay? Because my passion wasn't there. I needed to put them out by the curb. Doesn't mean I still use them. I still do. Doesn't mean I still don't sell them. I still do sell them. But I don't give them my time. I don't give them my energy because I don't have my passion in it. You see where I'm going with this? Many of you are out there in network marketing companies and you got in like I did. You wanted to get a discount, and some people, that's all they want to do is get a discount, and that's fine. That's fine. Some of you get in it because you really want to make serious money. but you got into it because your friend got you into it, not because that's your passion. And, you know, what I really was hoping to get you guys to see today is for you to succeed, you need to be in a company where you're passionate. A company that you can talk about 24/7. A company that you can attract people to your Facebook page with attraction marketing because you can find easy ways to talk about it because it's your passion. You wouldn't get into bed with a stinky garbage bag. Why would you get into the business bed with a stinky garbage bag that you're not passionate about? Interesting thought now, isn't it? If I'm turning on some light bulbs, can you give me some fist punches or some hugs out there? Give me some loves. Let me know if I'm hitting some buttons with you, if you're getting the gist of what I'm saying today. Passion is essential. Hey, Patricia. Hey, Melissa. Passion is essential if you want to grow your online business. And a lot of times, even when we're talking to other network marketers, they're upset because their businesses aren't growing, but it isn't their passion. That's what I found in my own life. I like these businesses. I still do them. I will still do them and represent them, but they're not my passion. I would encourage you today to just really search inside yourself and to say, is this business really the business for me? Is this the one I want to hang my hat on and build my Facebook page, my attraction marketing, my career on? If it isn't, then fine. Then I'm not saying to leave that company. I'm saying to find your passion. And that's where having a good coach, a mentor team, a support group, not related to your network marketing company, but people who will help you look into yourself and look into what your talents are to find out what are you best equipped at. Let me give you an example. I was talking to a friend of mine the other day, and she was in a network marketing company, and I believe it was a skincare line, and she liked it. She really liked the product. But you know what? When I went to her Facebook page, what I saw was her passion was rescuing animals. It was dealing with these sweet animals who didn't have a home or who were abused and coming up with funds to fund shelters. This was her passion. You see the difference? Now, she could talk about her skincare business, but she was passionate about animals. And so for her, probably the best network company for her to be involved in would be one that had products that could be used on animals, safety for animals, vaccines that were safe for animals, hair care products that were safe for animals. You see where that's going? Are some light bulbs going on there? So as you're pondering over what I'm thinking today, I want you to ask yourself, am I passionate about the business I'm in? And if you're not, then I want you to message me below and let's get on the phone, let's chat, and let's find out what your passions are so that you can really build your Facebook page with attraction marketing and you can really grow your business. But you gotta be passionate about it. It's all about passion if you want to grow. So if you found this helpful, please let me know. If you're watching this on replay, please hit replay. Feel free to share. And as always, feel free to follow me on Facebook because you never know when I'm going to pop up here and tell you something else. If you've got any questions about how to find your passion, how to find a good mentoring group, how to be able to really align your business with your passions and build it up with attraction marketing, message me below and we'll get together. I hope you found this helpful, and I sure do look forward to hearing from you guys again. As always, God bless and have a great day.